Hey everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo 18 Winder. So now you can set default headers and footers. To do so, let's dive into the sales module. From the sales module, we just need to ensure that we have enabled the quotation template. So here you can see the quotation template. We just need to wait for a while. As you just drag down here, you can find quotation template that create a standardized offers with default product. Once this is done, what you have to do is you can find the PDF code builder. So as you just move on to the PDF code builders, here you can see the headers and footers. So currently you can see that we have just given the template over here, which is office furniture. Now let's click on edit. So in this case, we can set a default headers and footers. So once you just choose the template under the sales quotation, we can just add the headers and footers by default. So upon enabling this field, you can just get it under the code builder. Now you can just move on to the orders. In the orders, we can find the quotations, and let me create a new quotation. So upon creating new, clicking on new, you will be getting an empty form over here. So afterwards, we just need to fill out the details of the customer. I would like to choose the customer as Joel Wills. And here we can see a field called quotation template. I would like to choose the template as office furniture. And under the cart builder, you can see that we have the header and footer by default, and that will be added over here. So this is one of the changes that we can find under 18.2. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.